Hey guys, it's Shaan from Shaan's Easy Arts, as you can tell. I am sorry I have not been making videos. I haven't had time to be making any videos. My last video that I made was when I was 6. Yes, 6. So I'm terribly sorry if it is bad. I guess I was 6. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego jail. So let's get started. Gotta angle the camera. Okay, so first you need this little platform piece. You need 5 of these little jail bars. One of this jail doors, sorry. Let me get this. I'm sorry if it's not focusing. One of this alarm pieces. And now, finally, one of these platforms. Yes. And if you want to customize, you can. So I'm going to customize with this rat. This alarm piece. And with this little white white cylinder that goes with the alarm. So yeah, let's get started to building. So first you need your little piece. And then you need your jail door. And then you need one of your jail bars. And you're going to place it right there. And now you need another one of your jail bars. And you're going to place it right there. So yeah, like that. And now you're going to need another one of your jail bars. Oops. And place it right there. And now you're going to need another one of your jail bars. And place them right there, like that. And now your final jail bar goes right there. So it should look like this. And now you're going to take your little platform piece and place it on the top. And it doesn't always work for me placing this, but hey, today's my lucky day. So after you've done those steps, it should look like this. Yes, and now if you want to customize, take your alarm piece and your little white cylinder, place them together and put them on the corner of the jail, like so. And then take your rat and place it on top of your jail or inside, whatever makes you happy. And the last and final piece, which is also customization, your little alarm piece that would go right there, like so. That is your Lego jail. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and follow and turn on bell notifications and subscribe. So, yeah, thank you for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Stay on the Easy Art fam. And if that it was weird, I'm terribly sorry. I'm not really good at making videos. But I love you guys so much. And you're just really supportive of me. And I know sometimes I make bad videos, but it's really fun for me, and I hope it is fun for you. So I love you guys so much. Bye.